short of time and money. But if you're looking for some school lunchbox inspiration that won't break the bank, these easy recipes will help you pre-make over 300 snacks for less than 70 cents a serve. Sit up and pay attention.
I find this hard to believe.
That's
Here to
good.
show us exactly how to do it, Rae Willingham from the Healthy Mummy. Hiya, Rae.
Hi.
Great to see you.
Hello, Healthy Mummy.
Now, this is, it looks like a lot of food here.
It is a lot of food.
Let's start with, down here, let's go with this, the secret to prepping meals in bulk.
Prepping meals in bulk for me is to get my kids involved. So I've got 4 kids, which is hence why we have a lot of food here.
Oh, that's slave labour.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. That's why I had them. Isn't that the reason we have them? So get the kids involved for me. I have a 4-year-old, so sometimes that can take a heck of a lot longer when she's involved in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Kids involved, go in with a plan, know what you're cooking, and choose ingredients that kind of are being used in a lot of different recipes.
Do the kids stick around for clean-up time?
Actually, my kids do.
Oh, that's good.
I'm very, very lucky that my kids do.
So the idea is you might do this of a Sunday and pre-prep everything for your kids for the whole week ahead. Let's start with these little sausage rolls.
These are absolutely delicious. So all of the recipes here are on the Healthy Mummy website. A lot of them are free recipes and some are from the Challenge app. These ones here are the hidden veggie sausage rolls, which I love. They've got carrot and zucchini and onion in them. Key to these ones is to wring out your veggies because no one likes a soggy bottom, so they're nice and crisp right the way through.
Yeah.
Super delicious. And they're about 67 cents a serve, those ones there.
If you're wondering why the dipping sauce looks a little bit washed up, it's because Kylie had a good solid crack at these. What about other savoury options? What are we talking about?
So we've got a couple of different savoury options here. These are the zucchini muffins. So they've got some ham, some zucchini, some carrot and some corn in there as well. Really easy in the cupcake muffin trays there. You can just chuck them into a lunchbox, quick and easy.
Nice.
And we've got the pumpkin scones here. Both of these are fabulous to defrost. These ones out of the freezer with a little bit of butter are absolutely delicious. Sweet chilli sauce on these ones, but they freeze really well. All of these options here do.
So is a pumpkin scone, so is it a food or a treat? Do you know what I mean? Like
Either or. So these ones, this recipe actually...
It's confusing. It's vegetable, yet
It is.
scone.
I know the Americans do it a lot, don't
Yes,
they? But
they
you can
do.
chuck some maple syrup into that and you can make it sweet. Otherwise, just as is, a bit more savoury.
OK, let's got some cakes for us as well.
We do have some cake. So banana loaf, I love making banana loaf because it's super versatile. So you can chuck some chocolate chips in there, some sultanas, some nuts, whatever you want to bulk it up. Same thing again, it freezes really well.
Just before you move on, when you freeze it, do you cut it into individual serves and then freeze?
Depends. So if I'm making bulk like this, I'll normally keep one whole and then I'll chop the other ones into individual serves. Either chuck them in the bags individually or I'll chuck, we're a family of 6 in a bag and then it's just quick grab and off we go.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
And the one in front?
Yep, same thing again. So individual serves. These ones here, what we can do as well is you can wrap them in a little bit of baking paper and then they stay nice and fresh for longer. They're not getting stuck to the side. That's the apple loaf, that one there.
They look fantastic.
They're really, really yummy. They're moist, they're delicious. Like I said, freeze really well, defrost them, off you go.
All right, got some easy snacks for the lunchbox as well.
Easy snacks. And you can make these even easier. Sometimes making cookies or making bliss balls can take a fair bit of time. Chuck it in a tray and then just chop it up into individual serves as well. These are less than 5 ingredients. Chewy banana cookies, absolutely yummy. And then we've got some oat date little bliss balls there too.
It's a lot of food.
That's a lot of food.
Right.
It's a
We'll
lot of
feed our
food.
crew for 8 minutes.
And all, as you say, that's just got oats, coconut and dates in it for the energy balls.
Yep.
So really healthy, better than grabbing something pre-processed, right?
And a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
So
What are we going to taste? Here, I'll taste this.
Oh, he's pretending like he hasn't tasted 7 of them already. Rae, also known as the Healthy Mummy, thank you so much. Really great tips, and we'll make sure that we put all these recipes on our website, on the Morning Show website, and you can also check out the Healthy Mummy website and app, which has a lot more meal prep recipes and ideas.
Yum, thank you. That's really, really
Thanks
tasty.
for
We're back
having
right
me.
after this.
Thanks.